This was Steven's level before he started the training.
I went straight to my instrument. Now I have to listen to this again. Yeah, so this is what I'm experiencing. I'm able to mostly hear the melody. That's what I think it is. I have no idea what key I'm in or what those scale degrees are.
In the next clip, you'll see how he can now recognize notes by ear alone after our training. I'll give you the tonic and then we'll start recognizing notes. This is the tonic.
Okay. So, or 5. A, 2, La, 6, 5, 4, T, 7, Re, 2.
In the next clip, you'll see him recognizing chord progressions entirely by ear after our training.
So I think I'm hearing do, so, fa, la.
That's perfect. So,
The more I learn about it and the more I understand, like you talk about, feeling like from intuition, instead of just these intervals and a more like theory based approach, which is what it sort of felt like in college, the more I'm starting to see like how simple it can be. Yeah, well, thank you so much for this wonderful course. Like, I'm about halfway through it and I'm getting so much out of it. And you have an awesome YouTube channel. And I'm excited to dive into some of the more details that I might be missing as I'm unlocking my ear, figuring out this mystery of ear training,